Welcome to Lumivale Kids, where little minds shine bright. Let's learn, sing, and explore together. A is for aqua, splashy and bright. B is for blue, like the sky so light. C is for cyan, cool as the sea. D is for dark green, waving in a tree. E is for emerald, sparkling with glee. F is for fuchsia, pretty as can be. G is for green, on the grass we play. H is for honey, yellow, sunny every day. I is for indigo, deep in the night. J is for jade, shining so bright. K is for khaki, soft and warm. L is for lavender, gentle and calm. M is for magenta, happy and fun. N is for navy blue, like the ocean run. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for pink, with dancing feet. Q is for quartz, rosy and fair. R is for red, love is everywhere. S is for silver, shining like a star. T is for turquoise, sparkling near and far. Where is for ultramarine, deep blue delight. V is for violet, purple and bright. W is for white, fluffy clouds above. X is for Xanadu, a color we love. Y is for yellow, cheerful and sunny. Z is for Zephyr, deep blue and funny. A to Z, sing with me. Colors everywhere we see. Clap your hands and dance around. Learning colors is so fun. Thanks for learning with Lumivale Kids. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more magical adventures.